Hi, I'm Reese, a designer with the Quilted Cow, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Trifecta pillow. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, Creative Grids, rulers, mats, and cutters, and the beautiful Wilmington Prints fabrics that we will be using today. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Trifecta pillow. This pillow is super easy to make. You only use 4 different fabrics. Your backing fabric can be different or the same. You can get this pattern on our website at thequiltedcow.com. If you want to choose your own fabric lines, you can just buy the pattern, or if you buy the kit on our website, it comes with a paper piece pattern. Well, let's get started on this Trifecta pillow. First, you want to cut your fabrics to size from what the pattern says, and I've already done that here. These are going to be the 3 fabrics we're going to use. Let's set that one aside. We're going to take these 2 pieces, I'm going to put them right sides together. And then we're going to pin along this line, so when you open it up, this will be your first piece of your pillow. Okay, now that I have them pinned here, we're going to sew 1/4 inch down that line. Okay, now that we have it sewn together, we're going to press those seams open, and you're going to want to press up toward the darker fabric. Then we're going to attach the side piece. So we're going to just fold this over, again, right sides together. I'm going to rotate this around. Line those edges up, and then again we're going to pin 1/4 inch down this seam line. Let's go ahead and do that, and then once again we're just going to sew 1/4 inch down that line. Okay, now we have our pieces together. I'm going to go ahead and press that side open as well, and you'll want to press toward your darker fabric. And look how easy that is. You've assembled your front of your pillow in no time. Now, if you want to quilt it, you can add your fusible fleece. Is great because when you add the iron to it, it just fuses the fabric directly to it. And then you can quilt it however you like. As you can see, this one was done on a long arm machine and has leaves on it. But you can also quilt it on your domestic machine by stitching in the ditch or just doing straight lines. It's super easy. Now let's do our backing. All right, now we're going to fuse together the pillow top and the fusible fleece together. Go ahead and give that a really nice press. Okay, now we're just going to trim off that extra piece. Now, if you are using a long arm, you will want to leave the extra on each side so you can quilt it. But since we're doing it just on a domestic machine, you can leave just a little bit over. You don't have to leave as much. Okay, now we have pressed our fusible batting to our topper. We're ready to start with the backing. Let me take this piece of your backing that has been cut to size, and what you're going to want to do is fold your backing piece in half. I've already done that, and you will stitch, as you can see here, I've already done that. Fold it in half, and you want to stitch 1/4 inch down your folded line, which I have already done that here. But once you've completed that step, you will lay your backing like this. They will overlap a little bit. That's okay, that's what you want. And then you're going to pin all the way around each edge. And then you'll sew 1/4 inch on that edge as well. Okay, we have sewn our backing on. And so now we are going to turn it right side out, making sure that we press those corners out really nicely. Okay, give it a nice press in each corner. And there you have it, the Trifecta pillow, super easy. Check out our website, thequiltedcow.com, for any kits that you would like or the pattern. Like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.